Hey, this is part two of my client that's been helping her daughter with this big surprise of decorating. So I'm in the entry, and all of these walls in here have been painted, and obviously they have a beautiful dog named Harley, so this was custom made for him and hung at the door. And we brought in this cabinet. So this is a nice little shoe cabinet with the tilt outs. So it gives them lots of storage, and then a nice drawer on the top. And Mommy's going to be coming home in a few days, and she doesn't know that we've been in here adding furnishings and accessories on top of the painting and everything that's been done. So it's going to be pretty exciting. And Mom is training right now to be a vet tech, so she's in love with her pets, and she really likes word art deco. So that's why we've got some of these things going on. The railings in here used to be the honey oak, so they've all had a nice redo with this nice dark ash color. And new flooring went in all throughout, so it's really made a difference in this space. So now we come up and we see the space. We've got new light has gone in, new furniture. So this rocking chair is just specific for Mom. She loves to rock, so we're pretty excited for her to see that. And this classic orange and blue palette is just beautiful together. We've got some allergies in the house, but still wanted to bring in some of the elements of the green. So the faux plant, it looks just beautiful. One of these side tables, both little side tables, have been repurposed. And so you know me, I love to repurpose where I can. And then Dad is treating his wife to a brand new couch. So look at this, it's just beautiful. And again, we've just styled it with nice cozy looking blankets and a couple of new pillows. We've got a new tall lamp in the corner. And then we just put the picture shelf here that can be changed out seasonally or with whatever's going on. So again, that's just gonna be a fun little feature to do. So this wall, the fireplace has been painted out, and we moved the TV to here just to bring a little bit of balance to this space. And we'll probably style up a little bit more of the mantle, but for today, that's what we had. And we've got this pretty little basket down here with some firewood that just adds a lot of warmth and texture, and they use the fireplace quite a bit in the winter. So coming around here, we've added this console table, another matching basket with another throw, and a little bit more of the color with the rust pillows, and just some pretty accents. And then we're all really excited about this really pretty artwork because the colors are just bang on for the space, and they're all about nature. So it just worked really, really well. And these walls were a really dark gold color, and I'll show you the before video as well. And this wall right here, this long wall, was really dark red, as was the stairwell. So have a look at the stairwell, and the railings all painted out now. So when she comes home, we're gonna have some time with her and create a lovely gallery wall on these spaces with some family pictures, and just make that really special and let her be a part of that as well. And we just found this beautiful piece downstairs. So this one just got hung moments ago and completes the space. So again, just one last look here at how everything ties in now with the kitchen that was redone, and what a beautiful cozy living room we've got here.